Good morning! It has snowed like quite a bit. 6 inches, so not that much for Tahoe, but the biggest part of the storm is coming later tonight and tomorrow. So there's about to be a lot more snow. Today I have my Instagram giveaway, so that will be I will be editing all of those photos for the small businesses and making an Instagram post. So if you're seeing this, I'm gonna keep my Instagram giveaway up for a few days, so you better check it out as soon as this video is out. The link will be in the bio. But yeah, I'm just gonna start making some breakfast, get some coffee in me, and start my work day, and then hopefully I can get done kind of early so we can go outside and maybe explore the lake and adventure in the snow. And I'm making some chicken soup for later today. First bite taste test already, and it's super good. I was just saying how I've been feeling really overwhelmed lately, which is hard for me to like eat really well, and I don't go out to eat that much just because of my diet. So finding simple recipes that I can cook and have leftovers for snacks or breakfast tomorrow or dinner is super, super nice. So I decided to make these just in case just to like lighten the load of stress, because I don't like when cooking feels like a job. I actually really love to cook. So if ever I'm overwhelmed, I like to cook things that are simple and will give me leftovers. We have like a break in the snow though, but it should be getting heavy soon. The reality of a Monday. But I am just obsessed with this photo I'm about to post. Hi! Just finished editing all of my photos for my Instagram giveaway, and the photos came out seriously so cute. Like, let me just show you. Oh, so cute. And then these are all like the in-store photos I took. Also, look how cute these shops are. Seriously, if you want to enter the giveaway, you have until Wednesday. Also, the snow is just coming down. It has not stopped, like, all day. We still haven't really gotten that much, like maybe another 2 inches. But overnight it should be anywhere from 2 to 3 inches per hour. So we're gonna start getting a lot of snow. I just finished cooking my chicken. I'm about to, I don't know. Talking about meat kind of grosses me out. I'm mostly plant-based, but I still eat it occasionally. Especially chicken soup with bone broth, just because it's so good for me, especially with how restrictive my diet is. But I'm about to shred the chicken and take the veggies out and make the bone broth, and then put everything back in so I can have some soup soon. Wow. Camera's so good, it looks brighter on my screen than in real life, but my power just went out as I'm making my chicken soup. At least the chicken's cooked, but like, I don't want to have cold soup for dinner. Hopefully the power comes back on, and also it's going to be so freezing. Shoot. It's honestly funny how much brighter it is on my camera than in real life, but these are going in the kitchen. I think these are full charge, so these should at least last, like, look how bright that light is. These should at least last, like, the majority of the night if the power doesn't come back on. There we go. The camera is now showing you how dark it is. But at least I have my camping lights. My cell service is so bad and my Wi-Fi's out. So I guess I can't do any more work for the day besides edit. So I'm going to finish editing today's video probably right now. And do a combo video of like Monday and Tuesday because I didn't really do that much today. So power's out, it's time to edit Saturday and Sunday's vlog and get it ready to post, and I guess just start editing this vlog because what else am I gonna do? Oh hey, it's me with a headlamp on.
Really?
We need food. It looks like a winter wonderland.
Don't zoom in.
Good morning. Day 2 with no power. Your truck is now a monster truck. I am buried. I haven't even looked at my phone. It's like gonna die. My camera's gonna die. It's probably like 10:30 maybe. We just spent the past like hour or so like digging out the driveway in his truck. My Jeep's for sure snowed in because the 4-wheel drive like isn't working for some reason, which is like perfect timing, right? But we're gonna try to go to coffee shop just because I need to charge everything in case I don't have power later. Oh my god, it's pretty. Wow. It is day 3 without power, so I have not been able to post my YouTube videos. I'm gonna try to see how much I can post in the span of right now going to a coffee shop in downtown Truckee. We're about to get another 6 to 12 inches starting around like noon or 1 or 2 p.m. today, so I'm gonna keep watching the radar and just kind of stay in town as long as I can. Try to get as much work done as I can, and I'd like to show you around my hometown, downtown, because it's so cute and it's snow covered right now. So if I get enough work done, I really want to do that, but over anything I'm trying to prioritize getting my other Vlogmas videos out for you guys. Coffee bar. So I'm currently cooking on my camp stove that I use when I'm backpacking to heat up like a chicken taco bowl. I don't know. We'll see how it turns out. Just on my deck. Okay, I'm attempting to paint my nails in the dark, and I don't know if I should do this color or this color, or not this color, but like I'm doing Christmas colors. But like these swirly lines or like these like bigger swirls. Alright, this is exactly why I don't paint my nails. And now I'm gonna have to go and now I just want to go get them done because they look so bad. Good morning. It's day 4 without power. At this point, I'm a little annoyed because I really want to post my YouTube videos, and if I go to like a coffee shop, the Wi-Fi seems to take hours. Clean my driveway! Just let that cook for a sec, it's freaking cold! At least the view is nice. Like, my power may be out, but it's a 5-star view. And I don't know if I'm gonna burn these, because I don't really know if I made pancakes before on this stove. Let's see. Burning. It's just like if I turn it down, it might not cook. Oh, it feels like it's burnt. It's a little burnt. It's not the, well, it's pretty fucking burnt. Okay. I gotta keep better eyes on it. I'm like way too cold to stand out there, so I made a giant pancake. I really hope it cooks. I just want to not be cooking anymore and get ready to go. There goes utility services to try to fix the power. I'm gonna take you on the journey of getting out of my driveway because it might be fun, it might be funny, it might be fucking terrifying. I don't really know. Skirt. Oh, look at that. Ooh. By the way, I'm hands-free driving right now. I pulled over to situate my camera, so don't yell at me. But yeah, if you don't live where there's a lot of snow like this, does this scare you? Like, because honestly, like driving on this type of snow isn't that bad. It's just hills in my car. I just got home and I have power, so that means that I don't have to spend